Hello, hello, hello again, world. What's going on? This is the Math So Easy team here, and we're going to do a part 2 to our double bar graph video. Okay, we did a double bar graph already, and if you remember, it looks a little something like this. Basic. We have different categories of movies: comedy, horror, action, and drama, and we have how many boys like it, and we have how many girls like it in each category. Okay, so we have a key. That's good. We have a legend or a key, whatever you want to call it. But we don't have a title for our graph, and we don't have our axes labeled. They're blank. So from the single bar chart video part 1, you should remember that we have our graph selected because we have the blue bar around it. This is not selected. And then you see you lose some options up here. You lose your layout and format tabs. Now, but when you click it, and you have that blue bar, you see your two tabs come back. So we're going to go to chart layout, and we're going to first go to chart title, title above the chart, and we could say movie category survey, whatever. Okay. We're going to select it again. We're going to go to our axis titles. Horizontal, x-axis first. See, it's already checked. No axis title. That's why we don't have one. So I guess we could put type of movie. Simple. Okay, and we're going to go back to axis title, vertical axis. Rotated title. And I'll put number of people. Yeah, number of people, I guess. Okay, and there we go. We have it labeled. We have our x-axis labeled, type of movie. We have our y-axis labeled, number of people. We have a overall chart title, movie category survey. And we have a legend here. We know that the blue bar represents boys. The red bar represents the girls. Now, we could go to our grid lines, and we could go to horizontal grid lines. And right now, we just have major grid lines selected. If we click on minor, we'll get more grid lines if we want. That's an option. And as we can see, if we blow it up down here, how to zoom it in, you can get more precise and see actually what's going on. But like I said, that's an option for you if you want to. I like to do it in some situations when a bar is in between a major line. For example, if I take these out and just do major, as we can see, this bar here, we have a few bars. This one here and this one here, they're in between, so we don't know. We have a 10 for this major line and 15 here, jumps 5. So I don't know what this is. I can estimate, but I don't know exactly what this is. I don't know exactly what this one is. I know it's more than 0, but I know it's less than 5. It looks like it's about half, like it can be 2.5 or maybe even 3. I don't know. So we're eyeballing it. So that's why when we put the grid lines and the minor lines, we get to see, we add up. Now we know this is 10. Now we know this is 15. This must be 16. Now we know this one is 16, 17, 18. Okay, just because you had those minor lines. So that's an option that you could decide on your own whether or not you want to include that. Okay, another thing, if we go to the data labels, no, I'm sorry, if we go to legend, sorry, right now our legend's to the right. We could have a legend at the top. As you can see, we can go back. We can have our legend at the left. And we could also have our legend at the bottom. Okay, so there's all different kind of ways we can move it. All right, and you can play with the data labels. You can play with the axes, the grid lines. Basically, once you know how to work the basic functionality of the program, everything else is creativity. All right, so I don't want to make this video too long, and I'm pretty much done. I am going to sign out of here. World, thank you once again. It's the Math So Easy team, and thanks for joining me. Peace.